Hey, good morning to you. It is September 3rd, coming up on the 6 o'clock hour out there. Not much happening in the weather world. There are two systems to watch, one overhead today, the next one Friday. Neither really look that wet out there. Friday may be the one to watch for at least a few spotty showers and some lower temperatures too. It's going to be cool today, comparatively speaking. We'll be in the low 80s. And then by the weekend, 70s. The lows may even get down in the 50s. So it's going to be pretty cool out there coming up. All right. So here's what's happening now. That's a live look at the RDOT cam out towards the 612 interchange. Looking at a little bit of traffic. Notice the this daybreak there is getting a little bit later and later. Yeah, we're getting closer to fall, and it's going to be feeling much more like fall by the time the weekend rolls around. Let's talk about that system today because it will bring us some passing clouds. So, this is what it looks like. It's a weak wave passing overhead. It's around Oklahoma City, moving to the northeast. I suppose there could be a shower or two farther down to the south in this area today, but for the most part, it's just going to be an increase in cloud cover across Arkansas and Oklahoma as this ripple essentially passes towards the northeast, moving in from the southwest. Beyond that, the next system's way out there. It's not going to be affecting us until closer to Friday. It's going to be up here across parts of the northwest. I'll show you what that looks like coming up on some of the model data out there. There are actually a few showers in southeast Oklahoma. I'm not sure how much of this is hitting the ground, though. The air is still very, very dry. So much of this is probably evaporating before it hits the ground. As far as temperatures go, man, what a great start to the day. Feels so comfortable outside in Rogers. We're 65. It's even cooler in Fayetteville, down to 61. Fort Smith's in the 60s. It's very cool out there to start the day, and that cool weather sticks around for for most of this week. Okay, so there's a small warming trend that only takes us to the mid to maybe upper 80s by Thursday before that front moves through. So this is what it looks like, and here's how it's going to play out here. This is the upper level wind pattern. So here's where we are today. See this little trough out across Texas? That's the one on the satellite we were just looking at. So that thing moves overhead today, right there, just kind of zipping along. But look to the northwest. See this guy right here? This is Wednesday. You can see that low pressure starting to dive east southeast. That's going to drag a front into the area. The front would be right in the middle of those isobars. This is coming up. This is Thursday at 1 in the afternoon. That front should get here on Friday. And what that's going to do is increase our cloud cover again. It's also going to give us at least a small chance of rainfall. And of course, it's going to drop temperatures, maybe down into the 70s. Yeah, 70s by the time the weekend rolls around with lows in the low 50s. Overall, pretty pleasant week. Heading back to work for a short work week here after Labor Day with comfortable temperatures and mostly sunny skies despite some cloud cover today and Friday. Have a great week, guys.